Okay, today I'm going to be making a wiring harness for a Vex robot. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm on the Community ISD School Robotics team, and it's my job to do the wiring. So, I kind of drew up some rough sketches of how I want the wiring connections to go together. Now, at the end, these two drawings right here, of these two harnesses, they'll actually become one harness, just to make it a little simpler. But I'm not there yet. So to get there, I got these cool little wire strippers right here. These are much easier compared to these. All you do is put the wire in there and you go like this and it's done. Whereas these, a little more difficult. Not saying it can't be done, it's just harder. So I prefer to use these. But drawback is you can all use these with smaller diameter wire. Or at least I can, because I don't have any big ones. I got a few big pairs of these, but that's a different story. Okay. Then I got some heat shrink over here to make it look nice when I'm done. Keep all my connections together. Lighter that goes with the heat shrink. Now I bet you're probably wondering what this Sharpie's for. I just use the Sharpie to mark a difference in between the positive and negative wire, since I didn't have red and black wire in such a small size. And then lastly, just got some spare connections right here that I can use to connect to all the servos. These will just be used as sort of a joining point, since I don't have enough of these to do what I need to do here. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, well here it is. This is the finished product. Added some electrical tape and tags just to make it a little more clear. Now, the reason this looks so complicated is because this is for omnidirectional wheels. This is the wiring we need to run omnidirectional wheels that allow you to go sideways, forward, diagonal, and then they let you spin around. So you pretty much get every range of motion you can possibly have. That's why it was all complicated like this. This is going to go to the front left wheel, front right wheel, back right wheel, back left wheel. As of right now, to have it work, you have to have these two run together. If you want to go sideways, pretty much anything but turn, these two have to run together. And then these two have to run together, and these run in opposite directions. Now when it's turning, they all run in the same direction. That way you get a turn kind of like this. And so yeah, that's about it. I just got it plugged into a breadboard right now, just to kind of simulate it being plugged into the receiver on the robot. So, and I'll keep you guys posted on how we're doing in the robotics. I'll get a video of the actual competition we'll be going to in about a couple weeks. So yeah. Oh, and next week, make sure you watch our video, because I will be designing and making a front sway bar for this guy right here. It's a Traxxas Slayer Pro 4x4. You guys may be familiar with it, you may not be. This one awesome truck right here, and I'm going to be designing a front sway bar for it. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Bye.